Sorry, who? Oh yeah, you remember. The least relevant Catherine.
Oh yeah, no, I still don't care.
Oh, haha, funny.
Yeah, speaking of funny, good luck trying to compete with us, honey.
Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna need all the luck I can get. Your lives sounded terrible. And your songs. Really helped to convey that. I mean, Catherine, almost moving into a nunnery and then not. That almost could have been really hard for you. And Anne, getting your head chopped off, surely that means you'll win the competition. Oh, wait, hang on a sec. Divorced, beheaded, died, divorced, beheaded. Oh, wait, never mind. And Jane, dying of natural causes. When will justice be served? And surviving. Seriously, Anna, all jokes aside, being rejected for your looks, legit sounds really rough. I wouldn't know anything about that. I mean, look at me, I'm really fit. So yeah, I can't even begin to think of how I compete with you all. Oh wait, like this.